Hi everybody, and welcome to my unboxing for the Free Start program by Purely. I got this huge box. You can see it here. I got it in 3 days too, so we're going to open this together and chit-chat about what we find inside. So, which I'm going to have to show you each thing because my camera does not go down far. Ignore the husband in the background. Packing material. Oh, the cat will be thrilled. Alright, let's see here. Ooh. We have the charcoal facial mask. See if I can get that done. There we go. That looks really interesting. Looks like I'm going to be doing a facial. So you guys can see how it works, and I'll give you my testimonial on how it works. What is this? Ooh. Natural deodorant. Easy feeling. I'll be trying this out and let you know how this works too. Let me see if I can get it to, there it goes. Gotta love autofocus. What else do we have in here? Oh, something else I'll be trying. Mint cinnamon powdered toothpaste. Look at that. There we go. I will be checking that out and let you know how that works. Ooh. Love this stuff right here. This is fractionated coconut oil. If you're going to use essential oils at all, this is one of the best oils that you could possibly use. Close up. Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck. See? This is what you're going to use as a carrier oil. Come on. There we go. Almost. This is what you would use as a carrier oil if you're going to be using essential oils, especially if you're going to use them on your skin. You definitely want to use a carrier oil. And I am going to have a video on how to do that too, that you'll be able to watch during this whole thing too. Bracelet. This says Refuse 20. And I'm going to put up the information about that as well. There are 20 different chemicals that Purely refuses to use in their products due to the fact of they're poisonous and they're not good for you. So I will post all the information about that as well so that you can check your own products at home and see which ones have these chemicals in them, so you'll know exactly what you're putting in your body. So, alright, what else do we have here? We have tickets. So I'm assuming if I do a home party, that'll come in handy. Kind of hard to do it over the internet. Ooh, and I'm assuming this is an independent advisor game. This is win a prize. And it also has dice. So I'll be checking that out. And I'll probably do a video on that too, just so you guys can know what it is, what we do with that. Because I'm not sure, but I'm going to look it up. Alright, and we have another bag here. All kinds of goodies. Ooh. Oils. Little bottles of oil. I don't know if you can see them through there, but they're little itty-bitty bottles of oil. And this tells you what kind of oils they are. Okay, we're going to have Oxyzen, which is a respiratory blend. Ooh. You can use this with carrier oils and apply it to the nose, chest, temples, and even behind the earlobes to help with breathing. We'll get into the discussion on that. Slenderize. This supports healthy weight management, aids in managing appetite, boosts optimal metabolism, and increase energy level. I'll be using this stuff. You can add 1 drop per 4 ounces of liquid and ingest it, which I don't recommend unless you've talked to a doctor first. And it says use no more than 3 times per day. And I am going to check into this because I'm pretty sure you can use it as an inhalation and as a massage type cream, but I will check into that. Center. This is a focus blend that aids in restoring focus and increasing concentration. I'm sure we could all use some of that. It also promotes alertness and boosts clearer thinking. This is another one that you can apply to the skin with a carrier oil, or you can diffuse it. So that'll be good. We'll get into that one. Shield. See, I'm going to get into these because I have them, so I can test them, and I can tell you how they work. Shield is a protective blend, and you'll hear a lot of the products that Purely have this in it. What it does is it enhances your immune system and boosts healthy functions. It protects against the environmental threats, purifies indoor air, and cleans household surfaces. So I mean, this stuff right here, awesome stuff to have, and it's in just about every one of the products. So Claire is a acne solution blend. I don't really have acne, but we'll give it a shot. It helps reduce acne, helps reduce excessive sebum secretions, so if you have oily skin. It prevents harmful germs and bacteria, which is another reason why you get pimples. And it's good for all skin types. We'll have to check that out and try it. And last but not least, the one and only lavender. This is an oil everyone should have. It's great for relaxing and calming. It helps reduce the occasional nervous tension that people get. It can also aid in rapid skin healing from scrapes, burns, and sunburns. It's another one that's good, like aloe. If you have an aloe plant, that's always good to have in your house. So we will go into a big long line discussion of that. Plus, I want to talk to you about other oils and stuff. I will have a video where I'll teach you how to do the ratio of essential oil to carrier oil. If you're going to be using it on your skin or ingestion, which I don't recommend, but I'm going to give you that as well. And, you know, if you're diffusing and all of that. So, right, that is the product list. This right here is free products. I'll be passing these out. Do you like free products? So we'll be passing those out. I'll get into these too on other videos. Right now I'm just showing you what you get from your box when you get your kit. Customer order forms, which are really nice because then there is an actual, if you're doing a party, to get an actual receipt right there, not just in your email. Product catalogs. I have a ton of product catalogs, which is awesome. We'll be going through these product catalogs too. This has to do with steps to success, your first 60 days. So this covers the first 3 months. No, 2 months. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. Of how to go about doing everything. And talks to you about your kits, and earnings, and bringing friends along the way, and that'll be something that I will be going over. Oh, Monday night training too. We have Monday night training. Okay, so I'll be going over that. And last but not least in here is some envelopes for your hostess. You're going to have a hostess party with envelopes so she can, you know, collect stuff if she's out and about, or he, or whoever. So, yeah, that's what you get. So, I will be doing another video, obviously, with the charcoal mask. I'm going to use the charcoal mask. Let you know how that works. I'm not going to do the deodorant or the toothpaste in a video. I'm just going to give you, let you know how I feel about it when I try it. But I am going to try it, so I will do a video for that. And we'll get together for the oils. I'm going to have one thing on oils. I may have more than that. And I will be putting up product information as well about the products that I have here that we'll be testing, and about other products. So stay tuned. This is going to be a fun ride for everybody. It's going to be a learning experience because I'm going to be teaching you guys some stuff about the chemicals that are in your regular everyday stuff, and how you can live your life a bit purer. I myself have fibromyalgia, lupus, degenerative disc disease, a few other things. And as you know, with the opioid epidemics and everything that are going on up here, pain medication is not something that's readily available anymore. We're just thankful because we have too many deaths from it. But I've been trying to find other ways to alleviate pain and be able to live without having to take medication as much as, you know, I would normally have to. So anything that I find that's going to work, I'm going to definitely testify to it. So you guys stay tuned, and I will let you know how everything goes. Thanks a lot.